Hello and welcome back to another episode. Today I want to show you how to transform an ugly linen closet into a nice organized storage space on stylish DIY. First, I started off with making a simple sketch. It just makes it a lot easier to visualize the final outcome. It also helps with taking the correct measurements and making a list of all your material needs. Instead of 5 trips to Home Depot, I can reduce it to 2. So I want to get rid of the ugly wire shelving and replace it with nice wooden shelves. What I don't want is this kind of wooden shelves. I think it just doesn't look very good, and if you put too much weight on it, it starts sagging. In order to make a proper shelf, even when using particle board like I do in my case, because that's just what I still had left over from another project, you want to reinforce it in this way. It looks much better and you will never have a problem with your shelves starting to bow. I'm starting the demo by removing the bifold doors. I guess they were popular in the 70s. Then the wire shelves must go. Next, I remove all the anchor bolts and prep the holes for patching. I then use a lightweight sheetrock joint compound to patch all the holes in the drywall. I use wood filler on the door frame before I start priming. After all the shelves are removed, I can now take measurements for the new shelves. And always measure twice, cut once. Next, I have to cut all the wood. I'm using a jigsaw to cut out the corners. When I bought this house, there was carpet in this bathroom. I tore it out and I replaced it with bamboo flooring. And now I need to finish the floor inside the closet and get the trim done. I bought this tool online called a multi-angle miter cutter, and let me tell you what a time saver that is. Instead of having to run down the stairs every time and use my miter saw to cut a piece of quarter round, I can just use this. If you like to find it, I put a link for it into the video description below. Look how easy it cuts through this quarter round, just like butter. If you need to do a lot of trim work, I'm telling you, this is the greatest time saver. And now it's time to install the shelves. If you have a nail gun, it definitely makes it easier and faster. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like or leave me a comment and subscribe. changed my mind and decided to also have a shelf on the bottom, so all the trim work was for nothing. But in the end, I think it just looks better this way. And now just the last piece of trim and ready to paint. But before I can paint, I need to apply caulking to close all the gaps. I always use soapy water to wipe off the excess caulk and make it smooth. Because the top shelf was visible from the bottom, I closed it off with 1/4-inch wood wall paneling. But now it's time to paint. Removing the tape is easier when you heat up the adhesive, and that way it won't damage the edges of your painting. As always, thank you for watching. If you like to see more of this kind of videos, please subscribe and push the like button. See you next time.